Our solar system. Science video for kids. The Moon is a natural satellite of Earth, and it is the fifth largest moon in the solar system. It is the largest moon relative to the size of its host planet, and humans have landed on it. The Moon is about 1/4 the size of Earth, and its surface area is about 1/5 of Earth's. The Moon takes about 27.3 days to orbit Earth and also rotates on its axis in the same amount of time, which is why we always see the same face of the Moon from Earth. The Sun is a massive ball of hot gas at the center of our solar system, about 93 million miles from Earth. It is large enough to fit over 1 million Earths inside and has a surface temperature of approximately 9,932 degrees Fahrenheit. The Sun is crucial for life, providing the light and heat necessary for plant growth and warmth. Additionally, it features sunspots, dark spots on its surface, and solar flares, which are bursts of energy released into space. Mercury, the closest and smallest planet to the Sun, is about 1/3 the size of Earth. It experiences extreme temperatures, reaching up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit during the day and dropping to -290 degrees Fahrenheit at night. With a thin atmosphere, it lacks weather, moons, and rings. A day on Mercury lasts 59 Earth days, while a year is only 88 Earth days. The second planet from the Sun is often called Earth's twin due to its similar size and composition. It is the hottest planet in the solar system, with surface temperatures reaching 864 degrees Fahrenheit, even hotter than Mercury. Venus has a unique rotation, spinning opposite to most planets, resulting in a day lasting 243 Earth days, while its year is 225 Earth days. The planet features numerous volcanoes, some still active, and boasts some of the largest mountains in the solar system. Earth, the third planet from the Sun, is the only planet known to support life, housing millions of species, including humans. It features diverse environments like deserts, rainforests, mountains, and oceans. Approximately 4.5 billion years old, Earth rotates on its axis to create day and night and orbits the Sun annually, causing seasonal changes due to its tilt. Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun, is known as the Red Planet and takes about twice as long as Earth to orbit the Sun. Its day length is similar to Earth's at around 24.6 hours. Mars features the largest volcano and the longest canyon in the solar system. Evidence suggests it may have had liquid water in the past, indicating potential conditions for life. Scientists are exploring Mars with rovers and landers to uncover its history and the possibility of past life. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, is a gas giant without a solid surface. It has the shortest day, lasting under 10 hours, but its year is the longest, taking over 12 Earth years to orbit the Sun. Jupiter boasts at least 79 moons, the most of any planet, and features the Great Red Spot, a massive storm twice the size of Earth with winds up to 400 miles per hour. The sixth planet from the Sun, and a gas giant like Jupiter, is famous for its stunning rings made of ice and rock particles. It is the second largest planet in the solar system, with a diameter 9 times that of Earth and at least 82 moons. Saturn's active atmosphere features powerful winds reaching speeds of 1,100 miles per hour, capable of producing massive storms that can persist for months or years. Uranus, the seventh planet from the Sun, is an ice giant and the coldest planet in our solar system, with temperatures reaching -371 degrees Fahrenheit. It is the third largest planet, with a diameter 4 times that of Earth, and has 27 known moons. Its extreme seasons last over 20 years, and it features a faint ring system, discovered in 1977, composed of dark particles that are hard to see from Earth. Neptune is the eighth and farthest planet from the Sun, classified as a gas giant with a diameter 4 times that of Earth. It has 14 known moons and an active atmosphere featuring powerful winds that generate storms like the Great Dark Spot. Additionally, Neptune has a faint ring system composed of dust and small particles. An asteroid is a space rock that orbits around the Sun, just like planets do. However, asteroids are much smaller than planets and are made up of different types of materials such as rock, metal, and ice. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe at KidsToons TV.